Today in front of me I have Xiaomi 12T Pro, and in this video we are going to demonstrate how you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So, as it is a common knowledge at this point, you cannot get the Fortnite from the Google Play Store. So in order for you to be able to obtain the game and, play it, open any search engine that you'd like or that you regularly use, doesn't really matter. I'll go with a very default and predictable choice of Google. Then type in Fortnite APK. Among the search results, look for the official epicgames.com website. Once the web page gets loaded, you'll find this little link that says download the app from Epic Games, which you want to tap on. Confirm the file download, so we'll go with download anyway option over here. After that, open it. Prior to actually installing the APK file for the Epic Games launcher, it is required that you allow any browser that you used or that you went for to install apps from unknown sources, which you can do by going into settings from here and simply switching on this toggle. Next, note and confirm that you are aware of any possible risks and dangers and whatever. Then confirm it once again. Then confirm the Epic Games launcher installation. Once the Epic Games app is installed, you can just go ahead and open it. In here, tap on this black Get button located in front of a Fortnite. And next, tap on the yellow Install button. Now we'll simply wait for the Fortnite files to be downloaded. Already, as you can see, once the Fortnite files necessary for the installation has been downloaded, we get the same dialog window we had with the Google Chrome, which is asking us to give the Epic Games launcher permission to install apps from unknown sources, which you can do by turning on toggle like we did previously. Then, once again, note that you are aware of all the possible risks and dangers and what's not. OK, confirm the Fortnite game installation finally. And now you can just go ahead, launch the Fortnite, and all that is left to do is to wait until the game itself will download all the necessary resources and updates that it needs, and that will be it. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.